Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of car accessories, focusing on what we believe to be one of the best phone holders for your car, the VANMASS Ultimate Car Phone Mount. Whether you're navigating through city streets or heading out on a road trip, having a reliable phone holder is essential for safety and convenience. The VANMASS Car Phone Mount boasts an impressive design that combines military-grade durability with advanced technology. First off, let's talk about its strength. This mount features a suction cup that can hold up to 65 pounds. Yes, you heard that right, 65 pounds. This remarkable strength means that even the heaviest smartphones, including models like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, can be held securely without any worry of it falling off during your drive. Installation is a breeze. The suction cup has a unique design that allows it to stick firmly to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent without blocking your view. And the best part? It's reusable. If you ever need to reposition it, simply rinse it with water, air dry it, and you're good to go. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the versatility of this mount. It comes with an adjustable clip that fits nearly 99% of vehicle vents, making it easy to use in any car. The adjustable arm allows you to position your phone at the perfect angle for visibility, whether you're using it for GPS navigation or hands-free calls. What sets this phone mount apart from others on the market is its construction. It's built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you don't have to worry about it melting or breaking in intense heat or freezing conditions. It's truly designed for all driving environments. That speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. One of my favorite features of the VANMASS phone mount is its ergonomic design. The release button is conveniently placed for easy access, ensuring that you can quickly attach or detach your phone without fumbling around. Plus, the cradle legs are designed to be extra wide, accommodating any phone, even with a thick case. When it comes to safety, this mount is certified by multiple authorities, including military-grade certifications. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your phone will stay put, even on bumpy roads. So, if you're in the market for a dependable car phone holder that combines strength, durability, and innovative design, the VANMASS Ultimate Car Phone Mount is definitely worth considering. It provides a secure fit for virtually any phone, offers unparalleled stability, and is built to last. You can find it on Amazon for just $25.99, which is a fantastic deal for such a high-quality product. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product evaluations. Until next time, safe travels and happy driving.